Hey everyone, so it's been a minute. Actually, it's been about 3 months, and what a 3 months it's been. I'm so grateful. I've reached some really significant personal milestones, and I've been working with really incredible new clients, and I've actually flown a few thousand miles. In October, I was pulling 16-hour days. It was a real grind. I don't celebrate the grind of the hustle culture, and I was all in. And I am incredibly grateful for all of these opportunities, but being all in on the work, I completely checked out on myself. The biggest thing I let slide was my health. I didn't make it to the gym a single time, not once. And for me, the gym isn't just about getting a pump, it's my space to dust off the cobwebs. It's where I got to clear my mind. And losing that, it really got me thinking. For pretty much all of human history, moving wasn't a choice, it was essential. You moved to find food, you moved to find shelter, you move to survive. Our brains are still wired that way. We connect motion with progress. We connect progress with discovery. When we move our bodies, it's not just about keeping the machine in shape. It's like we're giving our brains the exact kind of stimulation that they're hardwired to crave. Now, I know it can feel frustrating, even tone deaf, when people just say, oh, just go for a run, just go to the gym, just do some exercise, when you're struggling mentally, when you're feeling low or you're feeling anxious. The last thing you have is the energy for a workout. It's not a magic cure, it's a real barrier. There's real barriers there, like time, energy, and access. These are absolutely real. But even with all that in mind, it's hard to ignore the amount of evidence that shows moving our bodies can genuinely, physically shift how we feel. This all hit home for me for a while. And while I was coaching recently, I was talking with so many clients who were struggling with work-life balance, with just switching off. And I had that moment of realization. I was looking in the mirror. I was talking to them and coaching them, but I wasn't taking that coaching to my own heart. We struggle to say no to our bosses, to our clients, to that one more email, but it's still on us. It's on me to create those boundaries. What does that actually look like? Well, I've been forced to learn a few things the hard way. I'll share what's happening for me. First, digital boundaries. This is huge. My phone is no longer allowed in the bedroom. That blue light first thing in the morning and last thing at night is a killer. I've also started using those focus modes that nearly every phone has to silence non-essential notifications for me after 8 p.m. Your inbox can almost always wait until tomorrow, right? You don't have to reply to that email. Second, physical boundaries. This is about creating a definitive end to your workday. For me, it's a real simple ritual. I shut my laptop, literally shut it, and walk away from my desk. That physical act signals to my brain that work is over. Maybe for you, it's a short walk outside, but there has to be a clear transition. That's the key. And finally, saying no the right way. We think no has to be harsh, it has to be negative. It doesn't. It's about prioritization. A game changer for me has been the phrase, I can't commit to that right now without compromising my current priorities. But can I suggest a smaller alternative or revisit this next week? It's professional, it protects your time, and it shows you're still a team player, welcome or willing to work with your clients. That's where I've been, and that's what I'm relearning now, that success isn't just about the work you produce, but the health you protect while doing it. It's a work in progress. Thank you all for still being here with me, and I won't wait another 3 months before I make my next video. Have a great weekend.